Yeah, I got this from a dollar store. They're locally too here from Los Angeles. Obviously, some of these things are made in China, so most of us know that already. That's why they're so cheap. But I got this soldering iron because I'm gonna be fixing some of my headphones that have become loose. Yeah, there's still some headphones you could still fix. So, like I said, $1 and $1, little over $1, but still. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it works out, and I'll be showing you the other headphones so you see what I'm gonna be doing there. Please stay tuned, especially since this is gonna be promoting my technology sector, so you know what I mean about being technological. There's technicalities to how to use one of these and your solder, but I'll do that by request because I know some of you guys don't like all the boring details, but it's just like I went through the technical school or the right, so that's just part of being a technician or an engineer for all that matter.